Are you bougie like I am? Well, this bag is for you. Sleek and perfect, black with faux leather, gold detailings, only for the bougiest of girls.
I had so much champagne up in the club. Now I ain't coming.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jo, and I'm back with another video. Okay, today's a what's in my bag, not bag, what's in my purse video, 2K18. I was about to say 2K17, but it's not, it's 2018. So, okay guys, so this is my bag. It's really cute, really chic. I got it at Forever 21. It was $29.95. I think, and honestly, I love this bag so much. This has honestly become my only bag, and I use it oh so frequently. I had other bags, but they were like outrageous colors. They were like, oh, purple and orange and tans and whatnot. And now this is like honestly my only bag. And I have a black small book bag backpack that I kind of use, and I have a whole bunch of totes, but this is honestly my only purse. And then I kind of have like a tan purse, but like I use that for like school occasionally, or like when I'm going somewhere like to do homework. Anyway, let's get started. My purse carries everything I need in it, and like I honestly bring this everywhere most of the time. Sometimes I don't just go out the house with my phone and keys, but most of the time I bring my purse, and my purse has a lot in it, like just the basic necessities that I think I would need or would sometimes need. First things first, have a water bottle. I'm actually thirsty right now, so excuse me. So I have a water bottle. I don't always have this in my purse, but I usually do have water when I'm going out and when we have water bottles. Okay. And I have my wallet. It says VR. I don't know if this is focusing, but it says VR, and I got it from Francesca's. I don't know if you guys know what that store is or have that around you, but I got it from the outlets, and I honestly just have some receipts and some gift cards in here if you want to peep that out. No cash, because I'm broke, guys. I'm honestly broke. I don't even have change. I have a penny. I only have a penny. Like, I'm broke, guys. I'm broke. So that's that. I have a comb, because, excuse me, I bring this sometimes because obviously I gotta comb my hair, comb it out sometimes, because you because you never know when your hair's like a mess, and when you gotta just comb it out and make it not look like a mess and make it look good again. There's that. Okay. And I have my keys. Whoops. And I have my keys. So this is just an army strap, an army lanyard that I got at my school. I don't plan on joining the army. Like, all respect towards the army and all the people who serve in the military. I'm just not an army person. But I have this since freshman year. I got it for free. That's why I got it, because I love free things. And then just like my house keys and some things. I have a ShopRite little card. I have a Rite Aid card. I have a Stubbs card, which I'm pretty sure has no money on it. And then I have a CVS card. And then I have a little J, the Statue of Liberty on it, when I went to Statue of Liberty in like 4th grade. And then I have a Haiti keychain that my friend got for me. Always gotta represent. It's kind of broken though, but I still appreciate it. Thank you, Jetta. And then I have this Paris thing. Oh, okay, so I found this in my house, like my mom's old purse or an old book bag, and I just finessed it. And then we have a flashlight. I got this at a church. Like, they were doing like a 50th anniversary thing, and it was free, so your girl finessed it. Okay. I have my earbuds. Yeah, nothing special about that. I don't use these often, but you never know when you want to watch a movie in the car or like when you're out. or just want to listen to music, or like talk to somebody and not have people hear your conversations. Oops. I have a Forever 21 gift card. Yeah. I think it's for $15. I'm going to use it. I just haven't gone to the mall yet to use it. Yeah. My charger. I honestly bring my charger everywhere because you never know how long you're gonna be out for, where you're going, and like you could be out all day, and phones like to die so easily. Honestly, bring your charger everywhere you go. Everywhere you go. Ooh, I have a hand sanitizer spray. It was free. So I also finessed this. I just like to finesse things. Yeah, and you just spray it. And ooh, hand sanitizer. I like it because I hate regular hand sanitizers. Like, this is the type of hand sanitizer. This is the type of hand sanitizer that I like because, like it's hand sanitizer, but you don't get that, like, weird after feeling on your hands that much because it is a spray. Okay, so I have Vaseline. And it kind of looks like a hot mess because I've had this for a while. Usually by now I would have lost chapstick or whatever, but I've had this for, I guess, a year. And, like, yeah, it's almost done. I'm about to use it until it's finished. This comes in clutch for when your lips are crusty dusty. I have a mirror. Look, this is a hot mess. I think I got this for some, like, birthday party, like a gift bag or whatever, or like at the dollar store. Like, some of the rhinestones are falling off, but it's all good because it's a mirror. And I need mirrors because you never know when you gotta look at your reflection. Just make sure everything's good. So, yeah. Mirrors. Ooh, okay. Ooh, so I have a car charger part because, like, the main car that we use, like, my mom uses and everything, has, like, a charger where you could has, like, an outlet where I could put this in. Like, that I can just put this in the car. But, we have this other car. Like, this is the other car that I use. And, like, I need a car charger for it. That's why I have it. It's just pink and white. Oh, and, I have pills. No, these are not crazy pills. Let me hide my information. It's just ibuprofen, like, painkillers. Because, you know, when I'm on my period or just get a random cramp or whatever, like, headache, I just, you know, pop a pill, you know. But I'm not a drug addict or anything. Yeah, I just, painkillers, you know, you need some. Oh, I have spray. 1,000 Wishes. It's a Bath and Body Works thing. Yeah, and I have, matching lotion that you're gonna see in, like, a bit. I don't know where the cap is for this, but yeah, 1,000 Wishes. It actually smells so good. While I'm here, might as well spray, right? Ooh, okay, so, I have my permit. Hold on. Let me just hide my information. Hold on, guys. So I just have my permit. And this is it. The school I went to, they just gave me, like, this red pocketbook thing. So, yeah, my permit. That's it. I can drive around. Okay, so that's everything for the main pocket. So the bag has, like these little pouches. Right here, 2 pouches. And then it has, like, a zipper pocket here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you guys can. So I'm just going to show you what's in, like, the zipper pocket. Okay. So I have paper towels. And the reason why I have paper towels is because my allergies are so bad. And, like, honestly, some days, like, I'm blowing my nose constantly. Like, some days I'm blowing my nose every 5 minutes. So that's why I have a bunch of napkins. No, this is like hand paper towels. Those aren't even actual tissues. Like, I actually gotta go buy tissues. I have a pad because I'm a girl. You never know when your period's gonna come and just wreck your life. So, pads. Okay, and I'm on the pouches. I have these sunglasses. These are my favorite sunglasses. These are my bougie sunglasses. I can't even put these on. But the thing is, like, I don't know why I carry them everywhere. Like, I get the concept because, I never know I want to look cute or, like, just put them on. The sun's bothering me. But, like, I don't even have contacts anymore. Like, my contacts expired and I haven't gotten new ones yet. I don't even know if I am getting new ones, but like I still have these though, so it's like if I take off my glasses, I can't really see anything that I'm doing or like what I'm wearing. Like not what I'm wearing, but like what I'm doing. Like I really can't see that far in front of me, but I look cute and bougie. But they're kind of so big that you can't see my eyebrows, but it's whatever. But you know, I'm gonna keep this to finish the video. Okay, so in the other pouch, I just have a pencil and a pen. And this pen is from a church. Legit, I'm always finessing free stuff. This is actually like a pencil for my pencil case. Mechanical pencil, because I hate like regular pencils. Because you never know when you have to write something down. Or it's like, yeah. Always keep a pen with you, ladies. Always bring a pen, keep a pen. Whatever. Ooh, and this is the 1,000 Wishes body lotion. Like to match this. Like it's a set. And I bring them both around. Because it wouldn't make sense to bring a different lotion when I have the same perfume and same lotion. Ooh, and then I just have lip gloss. That's it. Cause okay, I don't even wear lip gloss that often, but you never know. Like sometimes I like wearing it. Like I have some on now, or like sometimes I'll have a lipstick and just put that on. I usually carry my lipstick that I'm wearing in here if I'm wearing lipstick. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm not even done. I'm not even done. One last look at the bag. I'm so weird. Okay. So, here's the bag. Got it Forever 21. It was like $30. It's really cheap. Like Forever 21 has the best bags and it looks so cute. And it comes with a shoulder strap, which I love. So sometimes I'll like go like this and walk around with it like on the crook of my elbow. Bougie AF. Or sometimes I'll honestly just like wrap around my shoulder because it's easier that way. It's just really cute and convenient, and for me this is the staple item in my wardrobe. This is the staple piece and I love it. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video with all of your friends. See you guys next time.
When it's over, I press rewind. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38.